Hey guys, welcome back to this episode. So in this episode I'm going to show that how we can use dark mode in YouTube. So you probably thinking that we have used the dark mode on iPhone and some other devices for the basic screen and other purpose, but why I'm telling that YouTube dark mode. So in this video clearly I'll show you that how we can activate the dark mode in YouTube. So let's start it. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon for not missing any future updates.